Here's how to put your iPhone into diagnostics mode in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Diagnostics mode is used to test your iPhone's hardware, like battery, sensors, buttons, and internal components. Apple technicians often use this mode for troubleshooting. Your iPhone must be powered off before entering diagnostics mode. This works on most modern iPhones. First, turn off your iPhone completely. Press and hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off. Now press and hold both volume up and volume down at the same time. While holding both volume buttons, connect your iPhone to a power cable or computer. Keep holding the buttons. When you see the diagnostic screen or Apple logo, release the buttons. Your iPhone is now in diagnostics mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to run hardware tests. Some tests may require an internet connection. To exit, restart your iPhone normally by holding the side button. Not all diagnostics features are available to users. Some tests require Apple authorization or technician access. If your iPhone won't enter diagnostics mode, make sure it's fully powered off and try again carefully. And that's it. That's how you put your iPhone into diagnostics mode. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.